Tim thought lunchtime would be normal, but he was very wrong.
Hello, Tim.
AHH, a talking banana. The banana had the biggest sneeze in school history. Acheaoo!
That was huge.
One tiny pepper caused one big problem. Uh-oh, I feel a sneeze coming. Run! The cafeteria turned into a silly disaster zone.
My sandwich.
Sorry, achuuu.
After all the sneezing, the banana was finally ready for a nap.
No more pepper.
Good night, funny banana.